waiting for this all year. We're gonna mix them all up. I want the collards. It is the week of Thanksgiving Day. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. It's Monday, November the 25th. It is the week of Thanksgiving Day. It's just 3 days away. Brassicas! Brassica, 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 brassica. Such a fancy name. Things like cabbage, turnips, cauliflower, broccoli, collards, mustards. Plants are part of the cabbage and mustard family. These are giant red mustards. Cannot wait to sink my teeth into these. They're still young. I like them young and tender, but these are a little too young. So if you haven't guessed by now, we're harvesting brassicas today. We're gonna mix them all up. I want the collards, the broccoli leaves. I'm gonna mix them all together in a pot and cook them down. It is going to be some yummy deliciousness going on. I've been waiting for this. The bees are still hanging around. This brassica is going to seed. I grow in raised beds. I grow in ground as well as grow bags. Just grab the outer leaves and leave the ones in the center. Give it a twist and a pull. Twist and a pull. Twist and a pull. I'll leave the ones in here in the center so that the plant continues to grow. Need those leaves for photosynthesis. I'm grabbing every leaf I can. Let's get these broccoli leaves. These broccoli leaves are gorgeous. So these are the broccoli leaves. Put those there. So I just removed the stems. I'm not going to eat those. You can eat those stems. I'm not. I'm going to add them to my compost tea. And it looks black and muddy because I put coffee grounds in my compost tea. So that's what you see. Just some coffee grounds. Some good nitrogen. Save your coffee grounds and use them as fertilizer in your garden. There's some more broccoli leaves. I'm going to take these as well. So I ended up harvesting the broccoli, the cabbage, and the collard greens. Hope you enjoyed this little harvest of mine. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.